All right, let's do a quick sound test. These are FFF switches, lubed and filmed, same ones we used in the build the other night. And this is PBT keycaps with the Baldr. It's a glass keyboard, no mods done right now. Let's do a quick thing. And wait, what PCB, Chozo? The 1UP one? I don't remember what it's called. It's from 1UP, but it uses any universal 60 PCB. You can use whatever you want. All right, let's test this. So this is, again, no mods. Very interesting. So I like the case, first of all. Let's talk about the cardboard box, dude. I like designs like this. All right, here's the case, guys. So here's the board. So this is like a... Would you consider this like a proto unit, by the way? This is a glass case. Yeah, look at that. It does have some weight. It does have a bit of weight. I'm gonna put it down on this. It does have a tiny bit of weight. Was there feet to go along with this? You can open it? Okay. Was there feet to go along with this Asmode? Frosted glass, yeah. It's very pretty. It does retain some fingerprints, as with all frosted material, but I find with this material, or with this, obviously with the glass here, when I was handling it earlier, it doesn't retain it as much as some of the frosted acrylic, where the oils kind of seep into the acrylic. If you guys have seen tofus, if you get a little bit of too much oil on your hands and start touching the tofus, it's not the best in the world. But there should be feet. Dude, if not, I literally have so many feet lying around this house. It's not a big deal. But yeah. It is a glass case. I mean, like, I'm pretty excited about it. So, I'm giving you guys a bunch of options with things today, too. So, I'm going to explain what we're doing today. This is going to be today's stream, and I think we're also going to be doing some stuff in a little bit as well. So, here's what we're doing. We're going to build in the hot swap assembly. I'm not going to solder anything today for one reason. I'm actually super curious to see this with multiple configs.
Thank you, dude.
But I'm going to do hot swap with this. We're doing a brass plate because truthfully the only plate I have on hand at the moment, and I ordered another one, but it didn't come in on time. So we'll do brass plate today, not a big deal. Cool thing about this is it doesn't have the center post. As you guys see, this is a tray mount case. Here's what I pre-prepped today. Here's what we're going to kind of like... here's the one cool thing we're going to do today. I don't know where I put it now. Oh, it's right here. I got us some O-rings. So we're going to also try putting some O-rings over these to see some different ways we can kind of like mod this. And also look at the colors. Isn't that beautiful? It goes through the desk pad and all that. Ooh, I'm excited for this, dude. I'm excited for this. Linears and tactiles. Today we're gonna do linears, and I think soon we'll do some tactile switches. But I'm pretty excited for this, guys. But yeah, here's the case. I think it's a really, really neat design. All right, I'm gonna move this over. Let's actually put this back in the case for now. I don't want to ruin it. And let's lube up our stabilizers. most recent trick you've used in a keyboard. Dude, I'm telling you, I'll tell you 2 tricks. Poly-fill in a keyboard is not gonna like destroy the way that keyboard sounds. I think it's such a like good option. These south facing? Oh well. Poly-fill is a great option if you guys are looking for things. And then another thing too is I've been changing up from time to time how I like lube stabs, and I posted it in the YouTube video, but I think the biggest thing I can tell you is like not being afraid to mod your stabs after you've installed them. Like you don't need to, like, it's not the end of the world if you don't lube a stab enough or fuck up on a stab. You can go back and like add lube. It's not a big deal. So lightly lube things, then add more. And I'm really starting to like understand that more and more and more. What's my favorite stabs? I really like Duroc stabs. I would say that I would be hard pressed to say that I don't like them, but I love Duroc. All right, so first test we're gonna do. Ooh, that's fucking sexy with the glass. You can definitely tell it looks different than acrylic. You can tell right away it looks different. Has a different way that it diffracts the light, which is pretty neat. Do you prefer solder PCBs over hot swap? Let's talk about that for 1 second. I don't personally think that there's much of a difference in terms of sound. I'd be hard pressed to say I find a discernible difference between them sound wise. However, if you guys are looking for something more flexible in terms of layout, you obviously want to go with solder. If you guys like the project of adding solder to your builds, go with solder. If you guys like the fact that you can take these out afterwards and use them for another build or swap these out and tune them a little bit, go with hot swap. I personally think that you should pick up whatever's going to be convenient for your building path and whatever's going to be most convenient for your lifestyle as well. I know that sounds weird to say lifestyle for keyboards, but yeah, I mean, like if you find that it's better for you, then do it. Let's see how this lights up. Hopefully this PCB works. I didn't even test it. I've had it for so long I've used it, so I'm assuming it works. Oh, thank you, dude. Oh! That is bright as fuck, dude. Oh! I need to turn the camera down for this one. Gee, that's fucking sick looking, dude. Yo, that's actually dope. Dude, that's sick. Let's get the molly out of the way for now. Yo, that's pretty fucking cool. I'm gonna turn back up the light because I feel like everything's a little underexposed now. That's sick, dude. Turn off the lights? Oh shit. Someone turn off the lights? Dude, that is crazy. The frosted diffused so nicely. Oh, dude, that is sexy looking. Whoo. Okay. Okay, chat. I don't think the tofu has better underglow than this. I don't have an acrylic tofu on me right now. But I don't remember it being this bright. Let's do a little sound test, chat. But then we're gonna swap it out and put O-rings in it. Because I want to see that. Where's my thing to turn off the fan? How do I lose it? Like in the 4 seconds that I've had it. Okay, here it is. So this is a tray mount too. Keep that in mind, chat. This is a tray mount. Please keep that in mind. This makes me want to get an acrylic build. This is made of glass, this one here. So this is a very interesting sound pro. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the sound profile of this so far? It's very pretty. So we're gonna see, once again, let me just, still a little sharper. This is a brass plate too. Okay, next, here's what we're gonna do, chat. We're taking this all apart one last time. We're gonna put O-rings in it now. And then we'll go ahead and add foam at the end. Where is my, I guess we'll just use this one. I literally don't know where I put the other one. Let's unplug. Very beautiful though. I think this board is aesthetically very, very pleasing. Can we hear it one more time before you take it apart? Yeah, I'll do it one more time. I'll do one more time for you guys. So again, this is before, I'm not gonna turn off the fan this time because I'm sweating. Before we do any mods. I do like the alphas. The spacebar, little sharp, but it could be the plate choice that we used today. Could be the plate choice. We're gonna see, because we're gonna do more to this in a short second here. Interesting. Let's see the difference now with the O-rings, and then we're gonna put some polyfill in it. Remember, this is a glass keyboard.
Dude, that's a lot of gifted subs.
All right, now we're gonna try it with the foam. It feels better like this though. I will be honest, it does feel better this way. Now we're gonna try all three with the foam too. It does feel a lot better this way. Yeah, we're gonna do foam. We're gonna do polyfill, which shouldn't affect the RGB because polyfill is pretty good for that. We're gonna try polyfill, just a little bit of it, not a whole crap ton. And I might not even screw in all the standoffs, or I might screw some in, but just lightly enough to do some compression. We're gonna see though, chat. Let's see what some polyfill does for this. I can already tell you, I think this is gonna be a million times better. And I want to see what it does to the RGB. All right, sound off, fan off. Let's see how this affects. It doesn't affect the RGB at all. Look at that, dude. I fucking love it, dude. All right, let's see how this affects the sound now with some polyfill plus O-rings. All right, chat. Much better. Let's be real here. All right, guys. I think you guys are going to be pretty... I think we're going to be pretty impressed by this. This doesn't have RGB on it, so just remember that. Okay, this is just for sound. This particular one doesn't have RGB. I don't think it does. No, this one here doesn't. I don't think this one here does. So remember, these are raids. Okay, with FR4. Glass case, lubed, filmed, GMK set. Oh. No, dude, that's sick. That's a nice sound. That's a nice sound, dude. So this is with an FR4 plate, not a brass plate. But I think the cool thing that we can take from this, though, is like, and thank you guys for the hype train. I really do appreciate you guys. The cool thing we can take from this is like just how many things you can do with this, right? You know, like different PCBs, different plates, and this is universal, so it's not going to be like you have to use one or the other. That sounds so good. Listen to this. Well, I only screwed it down in 2 points, being right over here and right over here. I'd probably get rid of the gaskets over here, or you can just screw it down. But there's a little bit of movement because the gaskets, just a tiny little bit. I didn't screw it down too hard either. I don't typically screw it down super hard. Oh, dude, that looks so nice, though. Like, look at the RGB, though. This is such a clean-looking keyboard right now. Like, take a look. Let's zoom in. Oh, my lord, dude. Like, look how clean that looks. Dude, that looks so good. I do like it, though. I do like the way it looks a lot. I think it's hot.